All right, today we've got a new challenge, and I think it's something that's really cool that we're going to be doing. We've been using Tinkercad and our 3D printer and the materials we have to make these little propeller-driven cars. And you've seen, it's really cool when it actually starts moving. Many of you have made it go 5 feet across the floor, which is fantastic. That was your challenge. Hopefully you've been able to wire this thing and get the heat wrap on the wires so they're not exposed anymore. Hopefully you've been able to make it nice and tidy so it looks like a finished design. Something that our friend Francis in Africa has been working on with the materials that we sent to him is something that's really exciting that I think is pretty cool. And that is he has built cars with his students over there using just cardboard and the same wheel system that we gave to him to be able to make a car that really zips. Now, I am going to show you the video of what he's created with them, and I'm not going to give you any further directions than that. So here's a few tips that I want you to take away. Take a look at the pictures closely. Take a look at the video and how it works so that you can give yourself a really good idea of how to make that. Then I want you to make it the same way he did. You can use cardboard that we have here in classroom or that chipboard that we have. Try to put it together. Remember, we don't stack our batteries and our motor on top of each other. I have switches that you can use to be able to start them up, and I want you to make it go like you see his students. I want to see him fly across the floor. The other thing is, I want you, once you've built that and you can really make it zip, I need you to design that in Tinkercad. So in other words, you need to make that same car body. It can just be a rectangle, or you can cut parts out. You can make it the design as fancy as you want it to be, but then it needs to have that gap. And you'll know what I mean, in the center of it, nice and measured out so that you can actually use the template that you have, measure that template, and be able to make something that can zip across the floor just like Francis's class was able to do in Ghana. So I'm looking forward to seeing what you guys come up with. I think you guys are going to have some genius ideas here, and good luck in building.